Understanding, miss hanging out, a guide to expressing nostalgia in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might hear in everyday conversations. Miss hanging out. This phrase is a warm, emotional expression, often reflecting fond memories and a desire to relive them. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and some nuances to help you understand and use it confidently in your daily English conversations. The phrase, miss hanging out, is made up of two parts, miss and hanging out. Miss is a verb that expresses a feeling of sadness or longing for someone or something that is not present or is absent. Hanging out is a casual term used to describe spending time with someone in a relaxed, informal setting. When combined, miss hanging out conveys a sense of longing or wishing to spend casual, fun times with someone again, often because it has been a while since the last meeting. This phrase is typically used in informal settings among friends or close acquaintances. It's a way to express that you value the time spent together and wish to recreate those moments. Here are some scenarios where you might use this phrase. 1. Reconnecting with an old friend. Hey, it's been ages since we last saw each other. I really miss hanging out with you. 2. Responding to a memorable photo or post on social media. This picture reminds me of our road trip last year. I miss hanging out like that. 3. Expressing desire to meet after a long time. With the lockdown finally over, I miss hanging out at our favorite cafe. While miss hanging out is a straightforward phrase, it carries emotional weight. It's a gentle expression of nostalgia and affection, indicating that the person's company is missed and cherished. However, it's crucial to use the phrase sincerely as it reveals vulnerability and a desire for connection. Miss hanging out is more than just a phrase. It's a heartfelt expression of missing good times with someone special. It bridges distances and rekindles connections, making it a beautiful expression to have in your English vocabulary. We hope this video helps you grasp its essence and encourages you to use it when you reminisce about the lovely moments spent with friends. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to spread the warmth by saying, I miss hanging out, when you truly feel it. See you in our next lesson.